Hello, good day friends, welcome to this video. I'm here to show you guys this new quantitative platform that we're going to be stacking USDT from for the week. Now if you're watching this video from Nigeria, this is actually the conversion rate a dollar is to a naira, and this one will be earning cumulatively in a week, and per day will be earning approximately around 5,000 naira. That is if you're watching this video from Nigeria. However, if you're watching it from another country, you can just convert it into your own local currency. Now how you just need to get started on this platform. Now in this video, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal and I'll show you how this works. If you want to get started, all you just need to do is to click down the pinned comment in this video and it will bring you to this interface, or you check down the description box for the registration link. If you have been on my channel for a while now, we have been earning and stacking USDT a lot, so don't miss out. Now you can register using your email, then you set in your login password and your security password, or you click on mobile, choose a country code, which is your country code, you set in your login and your security password. So for me, I have this my own detail, so let me just quickly log in. Please make sure you watch this video carefully so you can see how I do mine and you don't make any mistake whatsoever. So let me just quickly log in right now and show you guys a detailed step-by-step guide on how to go about it. Now there is going to be a detail that's going to pop up. Now these are just various details and announcements for us to actually earn on this platform. So after you are done reading this, the next thing you need to do now, you can actually earn through what your check-in daily activities, and you follow them on Telegram. These are just actually free modes to earn, but if you really want to earn, all you just need to do is to click on upgrade. Now this is actually very simple and minimal for those people who don't have much but you want to earn from staking platform. Now this is what you just need to do. You are just going to be buying different form of mining upgrade that is going to help you to stack USDT right here. Now the first one, what I purchased here is the first one, which is around 16 USDT, right? That's what I purchased, and I'm going to be earning 2.6 per day. So if you want to purchase it, all you just need to do is to click on buy now. Right now there are different options, so if you click on buy now, what you're just going to put here is to click on what, buy it now, right? So I'll click on buy it now. You can see my purchase is successful. Now how was my purchase made successful? It is because I've already funded my account. Now how do you fund your account? All you just need to do is to come to the home page right here, and then you see where it shows you recharge. So let me show you guys how to recharge. Primarily, you just click on what, if you click on upgrade, you're going to see that there are different modes that you're going to see here. So when you click on this buy it now, right, it's going to show you how you can actually make purchase, but let me just do that for you first. Now you see it, right? Let me go back again so you can see. I click on upgrade, right? Upgrade is the icon, the third icon counting from my right, and also the third icon counting from my left. There's an arrow pointing at it, right? So once you click on interface, you are just going to see it on your own phone screen fully displayed. Now once you click on that upgrade, you can see there are different mining options and there are different varieties that you can actually purchase for a number of days and you'll be earning from it. So I purchased the 16 USDT. For example, if you want to purchase this one that is valid for, this is 66 USDT. Once you click on buy it now, right, you click on buy it now again. Once you click on it, then it's going to show you to recharge, right? So once you recharge, you just select any wallet address and then you fund it with that amount. So let me do what I'm supposed to do here now. Because I've already funded the account, I'll go back to mine. So once I go back to mine, I'll click on what, start mining. Now this is it. So this is what you are going to ensure that you do after you've made the purchase. Ensure you click on start mining, because once you click on that start mining, you are going to be coming back after 24 hours that you started that mining to claim your daily interest. So let me just click on me. So once I click on this me icon, I tap on withdrawal. So if I tap on withdrawal, I tap on what, on. So I want to withdraw this 2.6 and I want to make use of USDT BEP20 network. So let me go back to that wallet address that I showed you all. Now I'm going to be making a live withdrawal right now. I click on, I'm making use of USDT BEP20. I tap on receive and I go there. Remember, we imputed a login password and a security password. So what we'll be making use of here now is the security password. So let me just make sure I fill in the details. Now for you, if you are doing this, please make sure you save your details as well. So let me just click on confirm. Now if I click on confirm, you see my withdrawal is actually successful, right? So let me show you guys another interesting thing that you need to know right here. Now you can see this ATA, you can actually convert it to USDT. Let's tap on ATA. You can see an arrow pointing at it. If I tap on this ATA, you can see this ATA. If I want to convert it here, I tap on convert and I confirm. You can see, so the minimum conversion for this is around 1,000. You have to have around 10,000 ATA. So that's why I say, instead of you going through this free mode that you can actually earn through here, just quickly go through this recharge and you earn immediately from it. So let's go confirm if our 2.60 USDT have actually arrived. If you have any question, please make sure you find your way to my Telegram channel so you can ask me, and I'll be there to actually guide you and give you answers to your question. So let me refresh. You can see our withdrawal actually arrived successfully. You can see it right here. This is our withdrawal, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe. This is my Telegram channel so you can ask me any question that you have. Thank you guys.